G'day peoples, it's a Chocky, bringing you another Warhammer-ish unboxing and first look of my Alien Warriors from the tabletop game by Gf9. I got these from a few different places. These are what I turn them into. Your Stormcast bodies. I'm not really too sure what I'm going to call these yet. As you can see, my symbol's not painted. Here's another one. I'm thinking a knight of something. Leave a comment down below what you think it should be. In the box we have 3 sprues. Look at those. Let's start with the instructions that folds out. I do want to point out on a lot of them the feet are moulded into the base. Then you have your tails. Do like that how they're all interchangeable. Have the first sprue, and it's a 2020 sprue. Nice detail on the tail. The hands are nice. Like the toes. Here's the next sprue, which is basically the same as our first one. Do any of you guys have these at all? Here's the back of the sprue. Are you guys planning on getting these to kit bash at all? Okay, this one isn't the same because we've got our guard on the base, scout. Thinking how I can utilise these for my other miniatures. Yeah, stay tuned for the whole lot of these guys I've built. And I have decided to add a little sneak peek at all the ones I have actually built. So stay tuned for a video on them. And if you're enjoying my content, please subscribe to my channel and I'll catch you in the next one.